Good morning. Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's November 26th, the Tuesday morning. Markets are backfilling a little bit here today with corn, soybeans, wheat, all lower. We've got some profit taking, I think would probably be the best description here this morning after a several-day rally in the soybeans. But markets are waiting for some news to take us to new places. The export sales announcement here at 8 o'clock is what people are watching for now, expecting that China could be buying some more soybean meal, supporting the soybean complex. There also has been a lot of tenders put out here the last couple days for wheat, so we'll have to see if the U.S. gets any of those purchases. And the U.S. wheat is competitive now in the world market, so maybe we can pick up some of that and provide some support there. Corn also getting competitive on the world market, and we're hoping and waiting for some export announcements there. Other news that we've got ahead of us here this week, we got first notice day on Friday morning. Don't expect any meal deliveries. Could be some corn and some wheat deliveries. Trade's expecting 0 to 500 or 0 to 1,000 contracts in the wheat and in the corn. If you're long in the December contracts at the Board of Trade, it always pays to pay attention and manage your risk there, because this day after Thanksgiving can always be providing some surprises. Also, the markets will be closed on Thursday. We have a regular day tomorrow, regular trading hours, and then Thursday we're closed. The Globex markets will not open on Thursday night. They'll open at the time the open outcry open on Friday morning, which is 8:30 in the grains, 9:05 in the livestock, and then they'll close early, closing at 12 o'clock in grains, 12:15 in the livestock on Friday. USDA did give us the harvest numbers yesterday, 95% complete. That's now above the 5-year average of 91%, and also this is the last report from USDA on harvest progress of the year. They'll start again in April. Winter wheat conditions are going to be going into dormancy in excellent conditions, 63% or 62% good to excellent. That's down 1% from last week, but about 30% higher than last year when we went out into dormancy at 33% good to excellent. There's a lot of talk about the Thanksgiving Day trading and how the markets react. Some studies have been done where soybeans have got a 74% probability of rallying the day before Thanksgiving, a little less than that for a rally after Thanksgiving. So that's providing some underlying support into the soybean complex as well. In the livestock trade, cattle traders are waiting for this cash market to develop this week. We settled last week at 131 in the live. There was a few at 132. Trade is expecting that we could see steady to possibly firmer prices this week, as the packers will need to buy enough cattle for a full work week next week. Cutout values were sharply higher yesterday, $2.40 higher in the choice. Select up $1.46. Pork cutout values, however, were slightly lower, down 50 cents. The battle that's going on right now is the demand for product. We should see some featuring of pork and beef here as we go into the first of the month and post-Thanksgiving featuring. But the weights that we're seeing of hogs, they're running at record carcass weights right now. Last week we had 210 pounds. That's 4 pounds heavier than a year ago. Also, the cattle carcass weights are heavier than normal, and that's providing some excess meat and filling in some of this slowdown in slaughter or tight supplies that we're expecting due to less cattle on feed and due to the PED virus in the pork. So we'll be coming out of this holiday watching slaughter levels very closely and see how that might cause a reaction here to the livestock markets. Another factor that livestock traders are monitoring very closely is weather conditions, especially in the feedlot areas out west. It looks like the next 10 days will be very favorable for weight gains, but this early season storms that usually develop cause havoc and disruption in weight gains that we'll have to watch for here as we come out of the Thanksgiving holiday week here. So expect volatility and very choppy markets for the next couple days. Stay in touch with Allendale Research to keep you informed. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very good trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.